So hello guys, I hope everyone is good. So this is our new video of Termux Terminal. From this video today I will show how to create a password protected file, means a password protected zip file. So for give the extra security of any files, you can use this approach to protect your files or folders. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's go to the Termux Terminal. So at first everyone knows what we have to do. Just update and upgrade the packages, $& package upgrade, then at a time you can give the -y to accept all the requirements, so it will download all the things from the internet. Okay, after updating, in previous video I already said to you how to compress your folders, how to use the zip package. I already installed it, so if you still not seen my previous videos, just go to my channel and you can see from there. So again I will show how to install that zip package. Using the package command you can install the zip package, otherwise you can use the apt, then type install then zip, then give enter, so it will installed. So after then, now to create a password protected file, at first we have to create some directories and files which I have to protect. So let me create some folders and files. I will create some text files, the empty text file, and then empty directories also. At a time you can create many files and folders, okay, using a single command. So now listed out, I will go to my storage device where I will create that folders and files. So just I'm going to cd storage, then give enter, cd shared folder. Okay, so in this directory, the zip folder, inside this zip folder I will go first then give enter, list it out. So in this folder I already created before a new .zip file. Okay, so let me first remove this file. I hope you know all these basic commands how to manipulate your folders and files. If you still not seen this video, just go to my channel and see those videos to how to manipulate your files and folders. Okay, new .zip listed out. So in this folder I already created 3 files, means 3 directories with the name of this dir1, dir2, dir3. So now I'll create 3 files, the text file using the touch command. Okay, so let me create touch. At a time you can create so many files using the touch command. So touch, then the file name, like I'll give just file txt, but you have to give the extension of that file format, file1.txt space, then the second file name file2.txt, then I will give the third file name file3.txt. okay, then give enter, listed out. So now I created 3 folders and 3 files. So now I created here 3 folders and 3 files over here. So now I'll zip 2 directories, means dir2 and dir1, and 2 files, file2, file1 .txt. So let me type the command how we can create that file, means zip file. Now one thing you should remember, that if you are compress any files and directories into a zip file, then you must be move that files or folders into that zip file. Okay, otherwise still it will be present in that folder also. Okay, means I mean to say that files will be copied. If you will not move that file, then it will be copied to that zip file. How? I will show. Now just type zip, then -m, then -m for move your files and folders, whatever you want to compress it. Then you have to give -m for move, then -e to protect that file, that zip file, with the password. Okay, so it enables the password pop-up, so it will open after run it. So zip -m -e, then the file name by which you can compress that file. That file name you have to give, like I want to give new.zip, then space, whatever files and folders I want to compress, the direct dir1 space dir. Okay, let me copy this directory 3, and then file2.txt. Also you have to give the .txt extension, then file1.txt. okay, now this command you have to enter to move your files and folders into that zip file and to create a password to protect that file. Okay, now give enter. So after then protect your files with the password. That password you have to give, like I'm giving my name biplab PLAB, then give enter, but you can't see that password. That means you can't edit also. So you have to be careful with that password. Okay, so again I'll give that password, then give enter. If all will be okay, then it will be successfully stored into that file. So zip warning, name not match file2.txt. Oh, one thing I missed, like file2.tx are there, so that's why it was wrong, so it is not updated. So now again I will do the same thing, just I'm cutting it new.zip, so it will be update again, then file2.tx, then give enter, give that name also and verify that name, give enter, it is stored. Okay, now listed out. So two files have been remaining there. So inside the new.zip there will be 4 file, means 2 files and 2 folders. Let me check using the zipinfo. You can see all the contents of the zip file, but without this terminal you can't see this zip file contents, and give enter. So dir1, dir3, file1.txt and file2.tx. okay. Now let me go to the physical way, to internal storage, to zip folder. Here I've been created one new.zip file. Okay, if you'll click over there, then if you'll click the extract button, so it will show 0 files extracted. That means inside the new.zip file there I've been stored 2 folders and 2 files, but it's not showing and it's not extracted also. Okay, that's why you have to use the terminal to extract those files and folders. Okay, let me delete these things, delete permanently. Now go to terminal. Now how we can unzip this password protected file, means with the content. Now just give the, if we'll create using this terminal, then no one can't unzip this new.zip file. Okay, they also need some terminal to extract those files. So this is very useful to all the people. How you can unzip this file? Now unzip, then space, then just you need to give that file name new.zip, then give enter. So it's required, see, new.zip file.txt password. So it's required that password which you have given at the creating time. Now I'll give again that name, means that password, then give enter. So it's been extracting, listed out. So you can see file2.tx, file1.txt, file3.txt, and dir2 and dir3 also is there. Okay, so this is very interesting for all the Linux command users who wants to give extra security of their file. So have fun with this tool. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. Till then, be smart, be cool, be informative to help someone. Bye bye guys.